What's up, y'all? What it do? Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Tina Bob. What's up? What's happening? Y'all don't pay no attention to what I'm dressed like, because what I'm about to introduce you to is not a reflection of what I have on. Girl, we have floral kits by Kell Plan. We have floral kits. That's the name of the game. We have floral kits by Kell Plan. Y'all, I'm so excited to see what's in this book. I don't want to see what's in the book until I see what's in the book, like right now. So I done told myself I'm not opening, I'm not creeping, I'm not peeking in the book until I get ready to film it, so that y'all get my first reaction. Because when I already know what's in the book, like, I can tell y'all what's cute or not, but like, it's just not my first reaction, and I feel like y'all like my first reaction, so I'm gonna give y'all my first reaction. Bet. This is Floral Kits. I can tell I'm gonna love this book by the title. And first of all, I love florals. Y'all already know that by me, but for the people who don't, they's about to find out. I definitely love me some floral. I love Kell Plan florals. So we gonna get into this book, y'all, and see what it all entails. So y'all, the details of this release is down below in the description box. We starting to get ready. It is time for us to start getting ready for spring. I don't know about y'all, but me personally, I'm getting ready for spring. And if you could tell by the way I'm dressed, I'm already locked and loaded for winter. I would not buy another Christmas, winter, or anything, Stickerbook, anything that's dealing with winter if I don't already have it in my lineup, or I don't already have it in a drawer. I will not be purchasing. I will not be buying it. Right now, my mental, and I need y'all mental to get where my mental at, so we can get there and be there together. It's spring. Because even though it's not spring, we're using our winter sticker kits. We want to use all of our winter things as much as possible. But we prepare for our spring while winter is here. And that's kind of how it goes. So if you find yourself sometimes lagging behind the seasons, this is why. You need to go ahead and be preparing for your spring. This is the time to get the spring books out of the way. You do not want to be chancing if I woulda, shoulda, woulda got that book once you see me planning with said book. So yeah, this is the floral kit. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna look at this book and see what all it has to offer and how cute it is on the inside, y'all. And yeah, so let's get into this book. Okay, y'all, let's get into this book. Like I said, this is Floral Kits by Kell Plan. Let's get into it. I'm so excited. I may have to lift it. I don't know what the camera view is going to be like, so maybe we should do it like this so we can see the entirety of the sticker. Oh my, y'all, I'm excited already. Look at the colors going into. See, the cover gives you dark, but instantly, soon as you open it, you get the brightness. Yes, it is. This let me know we getting ready for spring. These colors let me know. I always love Kell Plan's way of putting the colors together. It's got to be an eye, because it's the way of putting colors together. Like, I just wouldn't put these colors together, and they go together, and they go together so well. Next up, so these are our functional boxes. We have full boxes, half boxes, third boxes, and then dots. And then we're going to go into our next page. Girl, and here go the florals. So we have some decorative full boxes and then functional boxes in there as well. Look how cute that is. Like, that is beautiful. Like, that is beautiful. Next page. Ooh, we have the florals in the functional boxes. Like, that is so cute. So cute. And just look at the colors, y'all. Let's go back, because these are too pretty. This is too pretty. Look at the functional boxes. And then our decorative boxes. And then our functional decorative boxes. And also our checklist. Gorgeous. Ooh. And then we have our decor. Look at these florals. Girl, I love the floor. I love Kell Plan's florals. Like, these are just gorgeous. Can't wait to use these this spring. Of course, we got 2 pages of the floral decor. Okay, we going into another color scheme. We have the red, the oranges. Look how cute. The navy blue, the little girl, the olives, pinks. Like, look at these color choices. I'm ready to see the decorative boxes. Ooh, I wasn't expecting this. Look how cute that is. Look at the decorative boxes. That is so cute. Look at the pink stripe with the florals. The navy blue with the florals. Next up, this is gorgeous. I love this one and I love this one. I love this light blue with them florals and the polka dots on the light blue with the, that is gorgeous. Oh, I can't, this is gorgeous. That's definitely gorgeous. Oh, now comes the florals. On the first set of florals I showed you, they are on clear paper, and these are on clear paper as well. Color Plan, I haven't had a sticker book that none of her florals weren't on clear paper. So that's definitely a perk. It's like mandatory at this point. Look at these florals. All the colors from the boxes right here in this book. I love it. I love it. I love it. Next color scheme. Ooh, for the neutral girlies. The neutral girlies is just gonna love it. I feel like all of this is for the neutral girlies. I feel like it's all for the colorful girlies as well. It's just like this gonna make your heart thump a little harder. You like, oh yes, this is beautiful. I love this. I love these. I love this. So here is the functional boxes. Next we have the decorative boxes. These are beautiful. I love this. I love this. This is nice. Yeah, I love this. I love the color choices. Yeah, that is beautiful. That's definitely gorgeous. Next page, double decorative from functional boxes. So cute. Like, this is done so good. And there goes our floor. Y'all, this is so cute. This is beautiful. They gonna love this. The girls gonna love this. Here go the second page of florals. So cute. Next theme. That bright yellow is gorgeous. The yellow, the pink, and the burgundy. The blue and the green, like that is, I just love that. I love those colors. And then we have the florals, of course. So cute. The decorative full boxes. And next is the functional decorative boxes. Our double boxes, sidebar, checklist. Y'all see this setup, and then we have the florals for that color scheme. So pretty. Yeah, that is gorgeous. I love this. So we're gonna get another page of florals. Ooh, so pretty. And like I said, the florals are on clear paper. Next up, we have, so cute. This is just so nice. We have tans and mauves and beiges. Girl, and olives. Look at the decorative boxes for that one. Oh my god. That is nice. That's real nice. I love this. Ooh, I can't wait to see the florals one with this one. Y'all, look at these boxes. That's so cute. That olive green looks so good on all these colors. Then we about to have the florals. Oh my god. I knew these florals were gonna look cute. And big. This is nice. I mean, her florals are so on point. They the perfect size for your planner. And we on to the last. I think this is gonna be the one color scheme. Look how cute this pink, peach, and yellow. Who would have thought? I think at this point she can put any color together and it's like peanut butter and jelly. It's just like peanut butter and jelly. Look at the, oh my goodness. Look at the florals with the colors. That is phenomenal. Oh, I love this. Next up, we have our decorative boxes. Double boxes with decorations. Y'all, that's so cute. That's adorable. And then we're about to have our florals. Oh my goodness. Y'all, look how pretty these is. These are gorgeous. And then you have the nice size. right across the bottom and the top. That is so cute. And then our last floral is this one. So cute and so perfect. Yeah, this is so perfect. Y'all, and this one is called Floral Kits. And if you don't understand why this one is called Floral Kits, let me just do a breakdown for you. It's everything you need, but it's in like a kit style. So you get all your full boxes, all your functioning full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, your dot, and then you get your decorative boxes, and of course more dots, half size boxes. You also get double boxes, your sidebar, your checklist. You get the entire kit in this one, in different, in every decorative style. And then of course you get the florals. It's like a kit. You get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 6 different kits because it's 30 sheets, 5 sheets for each kit. So you get 6 different ones. This is an awesome buy. This is awesome buy. There's no reason for you not to pick this up. But this is the Kell Plan Floor Kits. Let's read the back. Have you ever had a busy week where you just don't have enough time to devote to decorating your planner? This sticker book is designed to help you quickly put together a beautiful spread week after week. Each floor kit includes all the stickers you need to plan a life you love. XOXO Heather, Kell Plan, which is exactly what this book do. You don't need no thoughts. You can just pull out floor kits anytime you in a stump and you haven't had time enough to pick out a sticker book or washi tape and your different colorful boxes to put together a theme. You can pull up this floor kits and you have everything in one book, and you can just plan your week without all the extra, without any interruptions. This is a perfect addition for your 2023 planner. So don't forget to pick it up. All the details of this release is in the description box down below. This will release Friday. February the 3rd. And it's just perfect for jumping off into, we're going into February, but we definitely going off into March where we headed into spring. So this is the perfect book to get y'all in the mood. And it's definitely going to be able to be used throughout the year to get all those things that you want and need for your planner lineup. I love her layouts. I love the designs. I love how she put her ish together. So yeah, that is Floral Kits. Y'all have a great rest of y'all day. Don't forget, I do have a link down below. Shop using my link to help me help you get all the things that we need. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you picking this one up. Yeah, and I'll catch y'all next one. Bye y'all.